After teasing us with several fake springs, Keith, February is going out, reminding us, yeah, I'm a winter month.
Yeah, and in the beginning of March tends to be like this, I've noticed, and that's how we're going to roll into the teens right now in Portland and Wiscasset, 16 in Lewiston, 3 in Rangeley, and we did drop below zero in quite a few spots this morning as well. So cold start, cold day, bright. They usually are. Northwest winds tend to be a dry wind direction, and that's what's allowed us to stay clear. But you can see that cold air going over the relatively warm ocean water. The water's still about 40 degrees or so, and that allows the cloud development, much like you'd see lake effect snow. It happens out over the ocean as well. All right, here's our little clipper coming down from Canada, and these systems tend to not look all that impressive as they approach, and that's certainly the case here, but it will pick up a little bit more moisture and steam as it moves towards us tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night and give us some what I consider light accumulating snow. So the rest of today, quiet, temperatures stay in the teens. Maybe we get to 20 briefly along the coastline. I don't think most of us do. I think most of us stay in the teens and single digits. Drop below zero into the mountains tonight and across northern Maine as well. And then we're back down, by late tonight, early tomorrow morning to 4 or 5 degrees in a lot of spots. So another cold night. Tomorrow we start with a mixture of sun and clouds. Doesn't last long though. Clouds increase. We end up cloudy by the middle of the day, and then here comes that clipper. Now, this model is a little bit more broken with the precipitation shield compared to some others, but the general idea is still here that during the late afternoon and early evening, some snow starts to break out across the state. And again, I think it'll be right around the evening commute, if not just after. It's hard to say if it's going to be, within that 2-hour window or just an hour after that. But it will be all snow, and the snow will at times be, I think, moderate along the coastline here and into down east Maine as well. This is trying to change us over. I think we'll stay wet snow right to the coastline by Wednesday morning, and then that snow quickly moves out, and Wednesday is actually a decent day, right around 30 degrees. But another clipper moves towards us. So we've got a couple in a row here. Neither of them are big, but another one comes in Wednesday night into Thursday, and this is kind of the same deal. I will say that this one has the potential to get a little bit more enhanced, especially over southern Maine, where we could see higher snowfall amounts than just an inch or so. So we're going to keep an eye on this as it stands, though. Snow moves in Wednesday night into Thursday. See how it's a little bit darker, a little bit deeper here on Thursday morning? That's worth watching. So this is just tomorrow afternoon through Wednesday morning, and I'm going to tighten this range up a little bit. I think 2 to 5 is just a big range sometimes, right? But there will be accumulating snow and then a coating to 2 inches, lesser amounts into western Maine, but enough to lighten things up a little bit. And again, we'll watch that next one coming through on Wednesday night into Thursday. That has the chance, I think, to get a little bit more enhanced, a little bit more interesting. So no big storms, but we could put another 4 or 5 inches of snow on the ground in some spots by the end of the week. Sun and clouds on Friday. We should get warmer for the weekend. That may come with a mixed storm system on Sunday. It's unclear at this time whether or not that's going to be a big deal or just a little bit of rain and snow shower activity. But we'll keep an eye on it. Not a very interesting way to approach a few inches of snow, Pat, but it is worth noting because they're during drive times, both of them.
Noting indeed. Thank you, Keith.